Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. And today we're looking at the analysis on the currency pair USD CHF. And fundamentally, we are seeing that USD CHF is edging lower as the US dollar continues to gain. Of course, the greenback faces challenges despite the upbeat US bond yields. And also somewhere we have SMB trying to intervene in the foreign exchange market to support the Swiss franc. Now, technically, USD CHF moves lower from 0.898620 on a subdued US dollar. I'll focus on the US data today. USD CHF has traded lower around 0.8620 during the Asian session today. And the USD CHF pair loses grounds as the US dollar moves downwards despite an improved US Treasury yields. The 2-year and the 10-year yields on United States bonds coupons stand higher at 4.36% and 3.86% respectively by the press time. Now, the US dollar index DXY trades around 102.30, and it seems like the dovish sentiment surrounding the US Federal Reserve interest rate trajectory in early 2024 is putting some pressure on the greenback. Despite Fed officials urging a cautious approach and discouraging premature speculations, the dollar is facing some downward pressure. And however, the greenback found support on Wednesday with an improved economic data for the United States. The US existing home sales changed, revealed a monthly rate raise of increase of 0.8% in November, while a significant rebound from the previous decline of 4.1%. Additionally, the consumer confidence CB experienced substantial growth in December, which has marked the most significant increase since early 2021, rising from 101.0 to 110.07, while market participants await the US gross domestic product annualized Q3 initial jobless claims and Philadelphia Fed manufacturing survey on Thursday to gain more cues in the US economy. Now, in its December meeting, the Swiss National Bank opted, to keep the policy rate unchanged at 1.75. And according to the quarterly bulletin, some people are thinking that SMB side deposits will hold at central bank are remunerated at the SMB policy rate up to a specific threshold and at 1.25% above this threshold. Additionally, the SMB expressed its readiness to be active in the foreign exchange market as deemed necessary, indicating a proactive stance in managing currency dynamics. Now, technically, we have today's last price to be at 0.861. Of course, the SMB has affirmed its commitment to closely monitor the development of inflation. Should the need arise, the SMB is prepared to make adjustments to its monetary policy, and the primary objective is to ensure that inflation stays within the range that aligns with price stability over the medium term. Today's last price was at 0.8621 and a daily change of minus 0.0017, and today's daily change of minus 0.20 and daily open at 0.8638. So we're expecting a push up to 0.87188, and which is about 77 pips. But a further breakthrough would be at knowing that this continuation is much more important than the breakout. Once it hits the 0.8655 landmark, now we have a lot of bulls to take over from here, which from that place is about 44 pips, of course, which is good money. And other technical analysis on today's currency pair USD CHF. Now let's move over to the stock market. Hello, welcome back, guys. And on today's stock market, we're having a look at Visa Incorporation, V. And headlining recently, we're seeing that Visa has been on a roller coaster ride, and it has been navigating the highs and lows from record peaks to sudden retreats and resilient climb back up. And from July 2021, Visa entered a consolidation phase with its stock price escalating between $174 and $252, testing the investor patience over a 2-year period. Now, despite a minor pullback after reaching $263, Visa stock found support at the daily 20 simple moving average around $255, suggesting a regaining of buyer momentum. Now, surpassing the previous high of $263 set on December 14th would be a critical indicator of a continued bullish trend and the start of a new growth phase for the Visa stock. Visa Incorporation journey demonstrates its impressive growth trajectory between January 2009 and July 2021, and the company experienced a staggering surge of 2,140%. Nevertheless, even the most prosperous stocks can undergo periods of inactivity or consolidation, which, as the situation is for Visa, as investors observed a change in the stock's momentum. Now, Visa momentarily is in November, the stock price experienced a significant breakthrough and breaking free from the prolonged consolidation phase. This type of breakout in the stock market often leads to a powerful movement in the direction of the breakout, while the recent breakout represents a crucial milestone for Visa, suggesting a promising resurgence in its stock price momentum. But now we are seeing that following some recent news for Visa, we are experiencing a few decline, and is gradually reaching out to the latest support at 255.23, and with momentum building, it's about 18 pips, but it's a slowly good point, not so good point to make an entry at this point till a breakout from that zone happens, and then we should be experiencing new support zones at 253.53 and also at 251.48. So if we were to make an entry at this point and let the trade run down to that point, we're looking at about 50 pips, of course, which is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's stock market, Visa Incorporated. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.